We done smashed the record again.
Perfect.
What's swinging gang? What's swinging gang? Y'all already know what time it is. I told y'all as soon as I figure out this transmission problem, we taking Sasha back to the track to test the transmission. So that's exactly what we finna do. You see Yuri out there chilling. If the sun out there pretty bright, but we right here hanging out with Sasha. Finna get ready to take the X6m over to the track and see what she do. I personally want to see if I can beat that 11.6 second time that I ran last time I took her to the track. And it's been a long time since I've been to the track with Sasha in general. You know, so everybody been asking about her, so I can't wait to get out there and see what she does. And I'm gonna try 2 different runs. I'm gonna try to get at least 4 runs in if it's not super packed. 2 with launch control and then 2 brake boosting using the new torque converter we got. So, and then we got drag radials on here. So I never had any problem slipping at the track or the tire spinning at the track before when I had the 22s on here, except when I was brake boosting, you know, because I guess with the launch control it dumb everything down, so if it detects slip it pretty much stop it from rolling, you know. So when you brake boost, it's just balls to the wall. So that's how I'm gonna start racing anyways. I don't want to use the launch control, you know. I want to brake boost and launch like that, so I'll need to practice that anyways. But that's enough talking. Y'all ain't come here to see that. Y'all came here to see me race. So let's get over to this racetrack. So it's super packed out here, and I already ran my first run. My first run was the 11.9. You know, my last run was the 11.6. So I ran a little bit slower, but that was my first time for tonight, you know, and I had a slow reaction time. Everything was just off. So, you know, I got everything back set up. The launch control didn't work for some crazy reason, but I'm gonna do everything over and we finna get back on this track. But I didn't get a chance to get the cars at first, so I'm finna get these cars so you guys can see what's out here. Woo! I'm going up against a Jeep Trackhawk gang. I think he a lot more horsepower than me too, so it's a friendly race. See what it do. This Trackhawk a beast gang. I didn't get the footage of the race, but it ran a 10.3 and I ran 11.8. It's extremely hot for a turbo car. I'm not making excuses. This Trackhawk is at least 400 horsepower over me, so it definitely did its thing. You know, he got drag radials on there. I got drag radials front and back, so this is gonna be a good race. You know, so I can't wait to see what it do. 2 big titans finally coming together on the racetrack, so we definitely gonna see what they do. So guys, lay around. Hopefully I can get somebody out there to record this race, because I didn't bring my other tripod, so I might get a camera to my buddy and let him record the race. So then we got a Dodge out here, Super B. It's a bunch of BMWs out here, gang. And we got an Audi TTRS. Somebody told me this Audi ran a 10.9 last time it was here, or a 10.6 or something like that. Got a bunch of slam BMWs. It's a lot of BMWs out here today. It's a lot of Beamers out here today. Got a drag radial on there too. Infinity. And we got a Dodge Ram. And we got a nice Supra here with a tire on the back, gang. Mickey Thompson as well. But it's a lot of other cars coming, and cars are still coming. I mean, it's crazy out here. I need to, you know, I might just give them my camera so they can record, because I want to get a lot of this footage on the channel, gang. I mean, it's too much stuff out here for me not to get these cars on camera. And then they got me racing the Trackhawk. They got me racing the Trackhawk, and I'm not even ready. I'm not even ready, so hopefully everything get done fast. The turbos get put on, the meth get hooked all the way up, and then we can do what we supposed to do. But I'm gonna go up front and see what we got up here. Matter of fact, it's time for us to get on the track now, gang. So I'm gonna set the phone up in the windshield. Gang, I'm messing up. I forgot to put the phone in the windshield so you guys can see the race, but that Trackhawk in front of me just bust my car's whole head wide open. This joker was a beast, and I think I red lit. I'm not sure if I red lit, but I think I red lit. I'm finna see if I actually red lit. I think I red lit, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
I knew it. Thank you.
No problem. Don't do it again.
Oh, I'm not. Yeah, I definitely red lit, gang. Okay, I ran 11.8. And then I red lit. Man, look at here. Yeah, so that run, he ran a 10.3. I ran a 11.8. So yeah, that's a pretty fast Trackhawk, running a 10.3. So I'm gonna let you guys see these times right here. Let you guys see them times. Yeah, he definitely quick. This definitely ain't no regular, he definitely not a regular Trackhawk whatsoever, gang. Yeah, he definitely not no regular Trackhawk. One of the subscribers just pulled in with his X5M, so we gonna see what he do. We got Auto Lust gang out here now. We got one of the autos. Woo, it is crazy tonight, gang.
Perfect.
Huh? This like my brother right here. And he one of the subscribers, gang. We all the way from New York with it. He got the X5M. Stage 2 boot mod and downpipe. That's what it is right now, gang. Stage 2 boot mod and downpipe. But I got some good news, gang. Check this out. Matt, open that for me. Check that out.
11.5, baby.
Okay, there we go.
11.5 at 118 miles.
11.5, and look at that, gang.
Got all of them.
See one thing about that coupe, that motor ain't big enough, that top end ain't big enough to stay out of
Alright, gang, we done smashed the record again. You know, I just raced my buddy right here. He got a beautiful M3. Gorgeous, gorgeous M3. Nasty, real good dude right here. Real good dude right there. Beautiful, beautiful M3. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This baby quick too, gang. But we just whooped the record again. I can't believe, gang, we broke the record again, and I'm gonna show you what we just ran. 11. We did it 11.529. Almost 11.4, gang. At 119. Hey, when I tell you that torque converter doing his job, that torque converter doing his job. You know, so I'm gonna try to get a couple more passes in tonight while it's getting cooler. The cooler it get, the faster the truck gonna run. So hopefully we get at least another 2 passes in tonight. I don't know, it's a lot of cars out here tonight, so you know, but I broke my own personal best record twice, so you guys seen it first. Who knows, maybe the engine heat soaked or what, but I ran an 11.6 and I've been running 11.5s and almost an 11.4, so maybe it's heat soaked, who knows. But all I care about is that I beat my personal best time twice back to back, so that torque converter is definitely doing its job. Saturday night special all the way, gang. So I'll probably get a few more runs in, you know, see if it gets any cooler. Well, I thought it got a little cooler. It's 73 degrees. I thought it got a little bit cooler, so it really didn't get as cool as I thought it did. So, hey, but I mean, Sasha running great.
The 5.0
Yeah, you put a supercharged on.
Yeah, bro. Just like anything you can do.
Bro, that's wrong. Bro, that's wrong. He ain't got enough motor.
Damn, that bitch nitrous?
Yeah.
We got a big nitrous truck, gang. actually the next day because the track didn't close till about 11. I didn't get home till later on after 11. So I'm extremely happy with Sasha results, man. You know, I ran a personal best. I broke my personal best record twice. From my old personal best was a 11.6 at 119, and last night I ran almost an 11.4. You know, at 119.15. You know, so my personal opinion, that torque converter definitely doing its job. I mean, she felt more violent, and then like, gang, she rev up to like, if I'm not mistaken, almost 4,000 RPM, like it was like 3,600 or something like that. I'm like, what the heck? You know, like I only glanced down at it a couple of times, so I'm not sure. But next time I take it out, I'm gonna get it on camera so we can see what it rev up to. But it's well beyond what the factory launch control RPM is, you know. And I'm still on American MDM, and if y'all don't know what MDM is, it's pretty much a level of traction control, you know. So I'm a code Euro MDM onto the truck, and that'll stop the wheels from being held back when they start to slip, because I'm not worried about wheel slip. I got drag radials on all four corners, you know, so I don't need the computer dumbing my wheel slip down when it's gonna grip anyways. You know, and I mean, she just felt way more aggressive on the launch, gang. You know, that Trackhawk did its thing. I know you guys seen it. That Trackhawk did its thing, you know, but that's a fully built Trackhawk. You know, fully built, bro. So, and he ran like a 10.2, 10.3, you know, he getting close to 9 seconds, you know. So that's what we gunning for, you know, a 9-second pass when Sasha's finished. So, you know, I'm extremely happy, gang. You know, I'm glad y'all was there to see it with me. You know, like the video if you want to see more Sasha and Yuri at the track, you know, making them nasty passes. So next for Sasha, you know, I don't know what I got planned for her next, because like I told you guys before in another video, I want to get Yuri out the way first, because it's a lot cheaper to build him to 600 to 650 horsepower than to build Sasha to 1,100 horsepower. You know, it's a lot cheaper to just knock Yuri out the box. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I got some mods. I got some actual mods in for Yuri that my X5, if you guys don't know, Yuri is my X5 35i S drive. It's only rear wheel drive only. So I got some other mods for him that a lot of people don't know about, that you can do on your X5 35i to get a lot more power out of it, even out of the stock turbo, you know. But I'm not gonna do that in this video. I'm gonna say that for another video, because I really want to install it, you know. But I don't know if I want to wait on the turbo to install it or not, you know, because it'll be more cost effective to install these mods when I already got the upgraded turbo for Yuri. So, you know, like, share, and subscribe to the content, and we got a lot more power content coming up, gang. A lot more reliability mods, a lot more power mods for both cars. And like I told you, on my cars span across a lot of different platforms, so it don't matter which car you got. You know, most of the mods and reliability and performance mods can span across from the 1 series all the way up to the 8 series. So depending on which engine you have and which chassis you have, but it spans across the whole BMW lineup. So thank you guys for your support. I really appreciate it. Hit that like button, man. Do not forget to hit that like button when you guys watch the videos. That'll bump the channel up. So, let's stop.